So today we're going to draft this stylish top. Now to the work table, I'll first of all draft my vertical measurement. The vertical measurement I need is just the bust point and the waistline. So this is the bust point, 10 inches, and the waistline I'm using 16 inches for the waistline. So I go ahead to mark my shoulder measurements and the neckline. Neckline I use a 3.5 by 3.5 inches. I'll connect it. Then I'll measure my shoulder measurement. I'm using 7.5 inch for the shoulder measurement. I'm going to mark it, and then I'll create my shoulder slope and create my armhole curve. Now this is the armhole curve. I'll mark it there and connect my armhole curve like so. So the next step is to open my fabric, the pattern and to mark my neckline. So I'm going to cut it off a bit to make it there. So I mark my neckline, I'll open it like so. So then I'm going to come in by 2.5 inch at the neckline, depending how wide you want it to be. Then I'll connect it 2 inches above the neck chest line, okay, the bust points then I'll cut it off. Remember, I fold the paper into two to cut off this. So I'll go ahead to open the pattern again and make it a bit deeper. You can see the left hand side is not wet cut out, so I'll cut out this side and make it a bit deeper. Then you see that it's different by to the other side of the pattern. So I'll go ahead to measure my horizontal measurement, just as this, simple as this. I'll measure the horizontal measurement, and now this is how it is. So to create the back pattern is nothing serious, just mark my zipper allowance, then use the front pattern to trace out the back. I'll trace out the front pattern at the back pattern like so. Okay, so the only difference is the zipper allowance and the neckline. I come up a bit at the neckline, just like I did so it's totally optional. So this is what it looks like, simple as it. Yeah, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so, and see you in my next video. Bye.